Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook stir-fry chayote with egg. I have one chayote here and I have 2 eggs, about 1 cup of carrot stripe, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, some spring onion for garnishing, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, a few dash of sesame seed oil, and about a quarter teaspoon of pepper. This is going to be very quick and easy, but chayote have a natural sweetness, so we don't need to use sugar, or I don't use salt for this recipe because we are trying to minimize salt intake here. And I'm going to start off with cutting the chayote first. Alright, first I'm going to, how I cut the chayote is I'm going to remove all the skin first. Okay, we have removed the skin and we are going to cut it into half. Managing this chayote, when you remove the skin, have to be careful a bit because it's very slimy, so it might slip off your hand, and also with the knife, so just be careful. Just cut into half and remove the seed. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and wash this one, then we can continue to cut. Alright, I have washed the chayote, so after we wash, that is no longer slimy, so you can cut properly. So how I cut the thing is, I'm going to cut into thin slices like that. And then we're going to make it into a stripe. Alright, we have one big bowl of chayote, so we can go ahead and cook it now. In the pan, I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the oil is hot, I'm putting in the garlic. We're going to fry the garlic until light brown and nice fragrant. Alright, garlic is brown, and I'm going to switch off the heat and remove it from the pan first. We'll take off a bit. Alright, so I'm going to put it aside. We will use it for garnishing, so I'm going to switch on the pan back again. And I'm going to pour in the chayote. Put in the pepper, sesame seed oil. I put half of the light soy sauce and half of the oyster sauce. Put in the carrot. Add a little bit water. And I'm going to cover the lid for about 30 seconds, just 30 seconds only, because the chayote that we cut into stripes, smaller pieces, so they can cook very fast. Alright. Oh, nice. Look at that. Now I'm going to beat the egg a bit and just pour in. Put in the balance of the light soy sauce and the oyster sauce. And just give it a couple of mix. Let's wait for another 30 seconds for the egg to cook. Now I can taste it. Wow, the natural sweetness from the chayote and the aroma from the egg and the light soy sauce, it blends very well. So it's enough taste already, so I don't need to add anything. And put in the garlic, then we will have a very nice aroma of the fried garlic. Some spring onion. Just give it a couple of stir. Okay, that's finished. I'm going to switch off the heat. It's so simple, and then we have a very nice vegetable dish. Wow, it's so sweet with the fragrance of the fried garlic and the taste of the egg plus the sweetness from the chayote. Lovely, and the vegetable is still crunchy. This is really nice. It's easy to cook and delicious. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my easy cooking video like this. Thank you and bye bye.